Good morning, friends. While discussing our topic, that is our social responsibility, how important it is to be socially responsible in a democratic nation, it is quite adequate for everyone. It should be followed, it should be implemented by every responsible citizen. As we have discussed earlier, we are social animals, and a society always demands contribution of its each and every component for its upliftment, for its development, for its advancement. Individual social responsibility, that is ISR, the topic. We always feel that let someone come and let someone do this job or that job. This is not my responsibility. To keep a road clean, to keep a road clean and without ditches, it is the responsibility of every citizen. Individually, you are responsible, socially responsible. Someone may say that I donate money. Is donating money or sponsoring something, it can we call it complete individual social responsibility? The answer is no. Your donating money is a part of individual social responsibility. The concept individual social responsibility is an umbrella term. It encompasses other things also, not only donating money, but it also demands your fair behavior with others. How do you behave with rest of the society? Donating, sponsoring something, no doubt it is also part of your individual social responsibility, but at the same time your behavior with others, it should be fair. Now just take in account, if everyone behaves fairly, there will not be quarrels, there will not be fights, there will not be police cases, there will be very less cases in the court. Percentage of the cases in the court suggests that our behavior with each other is not fair. Hence, it happens in India that police stations, courts are full of the cases. As we have discussed, as we have rights, our rights are others' duties. Our duties are others' rights. हे आपण लक्षात ठेवलं पाहिजे. ज्या अर्थी हा अभ्यासक्रमाचा भाग म्हणून आपल्या समोर आलेला आहे, त्या अर्थी कुठंतरी काहीतरी गफलत होते आहे, किंवा विद्यार्थी असोत शिक्षक असोत किंवा कुठलाही भारतीय असू द्या, आपल्या स्वार्थासाठी आपण समाजाचं किती नुकसान करतो हे प्रत्येकाच्या लक्षात यायला पाहिजे. म्हणून हा अभ्यासक्रमाचा भाग कदाचित बनवलेला असावा. देन being honest while living in the society. प्रत्येक भारतीय नागरिक हा प्रामाणिक असला पाहिजे. प्रामाणिकपणा हा अतिशय महत्त्वाचा असा सद्गुण आहे. तुम्ही प्रामाणिक असाल तर कमी संकटांना तोंड द्यावं लागतं, हे आपल्याला आपल्या पूर्वजांनी खूप वेळा शिकवलेलं आहे. परंतु when we read in a newspaper that someone returned money or a pocket or maybe a golden ornament, एखाद्याने कुणाचे विसरलेले पैसे म्हणा, सोनं नाणं म्हणा, बॅग म्हणा, कागदपत्रे म्हणा, प्रामाणिकपणे परत केली तर त्याची पेपरमध्ये न्यूज होते. यावरून प्रामाणिकपणाचं किती महत्त्व आहे आणि किती प्रमाणात लोक प्रामाणिक नाहीत याचंही दर्शन आपल्याला घडतं. इंडिव्हिज्युअल सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ॲज आय टोल्ड यू, युअर डोनेशन, युअर स्पॉन्सरशिप, your fair behavior, and at the same time your honesty, these things are included. Then blood donation, you know, due to this COVID pandemic, our condition of medical facilities are exposed widely. Our hospitals at grassroots level, facilities available there, every Indian now knows how poor our facilities are. Blood donation, it is believed that blood saves the life of other. So, every Indian should donate the blood. Not only blood. You have learned, you have experienced as NSS students. You have donated not only blood, but you have donated your labor also. All in all, what is our aim? Our aim is to make a healthy society. A society in which every member is healthy, not physically, but mentally also.
Hello.
And hence,
Good morning.
that is our duty
काय झालं? हो झालं.
to behave properly. To behave properly, to think properly, to donate properly.
काय
Just
म्हणले?
just feel that I am an inseparable part of the society. If I am bad, my society is bad. Because society is made up of humans. Hence, every Indian should be individually responsible for the betterment of society. I hope you have seen all the videos, you have read all the notes I have given you. From tomorrow we will begin another topic. Thank you so much.